So as previously mentioned, we'll be using the platform called Instruct to complete the exercises. And just a quick summary of what it is, it's a browser-based tutorial environment. And we've set up an environment that has things like Docker and the Dockstore CLI installed so that you all don't have to do it. This will save you all the hassle for the installs. You can kind of think of it like Code Academy if you've used that before. I'll quickly give a demo of the environment because it should be ready by now. Yeah, so there's this green start button here. So if you click on the start button, we'll go into it. So here's the sandbox. This part isn't too relevant. It's just a quick intro, so we can hide that. But as you can see, there's these different tabs. So we're going to go into the terminal tab. And I'm just going to show you that Docker is in fact installed. So first I'll run this docker info command. And as you can see, there's a whole lot of specs that are printed out. So is it in debug mode? How many containers do we have? How many are stopped? Number of images? But it also has a whole bunch of other things. So it can be quite useful. But I'll show you the docker help command because this will print out all the different subcommands that you have available. As you can see, there's quite a lot. But yeah, so this is just confirming that we do have Docker installed. And one other thing I wanted to note, so we have two sections of exercises. One is for Docker and one is for Whittle. So for the first part that I'm going through, you'll want to look at this Docker instructions here. We'll also have these in the slides, but this is just another place where you can see where the exercises that we're doing are. And don't click outside. This is just our documentation. You'll only be using this one page. Okay. So we're going to get right into our first exercise. This will have you running something called whale say, which is, it's a hello world type program with a bit of a twist. You may have heard of cow say before, and it's similar to that. So the command is given both here on this lecture slide, as you can see here, but is also in that instructions file, which I just mentioned earlier. So try running this command and replacing this fill me in section with your own text. Okay, so what you should have seen was a whale, and it's printing out whatever message you typed in. And there's an example of this in that in the Docker instructions here. So I just put hello, so you'll see it saying hello, but you can put hello, whatever your name is, and it'll say hello.